Everyone's Alessandro Brooks here from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a super refreshing and tasty Korean cucumber and radish salad. It's both sweet and salty, acid and spicy. We're going to be slicing the cucumbers and radishes really thin and dressing it up with a mix of soy sauce, garlic, rice vinegar, some Korean Gochujang chili paste, sesame oil, and a little bit of sugar. Please don't forget to like it and leave a comment. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started.
For this salad, I'm using 1 watermelon radish, a medium-sized English cucumber, and 1 red daikon radish. Japanese or Persian cucumbers also work great for this salad. Start by thinly slicing both the cucumber and radishes. I like to use a mandolin for this and set it at a 1–1.5 millimeter thickness. Always be careful when working with a mandolin. You don't want to end up with finger salad. The radishes not only taste great, but they add a nice color to the salad. Transfer all the slices to a big enough bowl. We'll also be adding some finely chopped scallions, 1 or 2 sprigs. For the dressing, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce to a bowl. One tablespoon of rice vinegar, a teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 minced garlic cloves, and 1 tablespoon of Korean Gochujang chili sauce. Mix it well and pour over the salad. Toss it to coat all the slices, then sprinkle with some sesame seeds. The salad can be served right away, but refrigerating it for 10 to 15 minutes will help the vegetables absorb all the flavors. Before serving, I like to curl some of the slices and also sprinkle some more scallions and sesame seeds. And that is it. This salad is quite tasty and super refreshing. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.